On today's body cam, we're checking out police rescue a girl from her boyfriend after he loses it after discovering her shameful secret.
But, babe, I'm not. Please. Put your hands behind your back. Stop. 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 Please. Screw that. Babe, please. Babe, this is on my probation, please, babe. It's not her. Stop. It's not.
I love her to death, bro. I'm emotionally drained, bro.
What's going on?
My girl emotionally drained too. Okay. Bro.
What's up?
I love her. Huh?
Hey.
No, ain't no problem.
What's going on?
I think
that's your girl?
Yeah, that's my baby, bro.
Okay.
I love her to death. That's my baby, man.
What happened?
So today.
Yeah.
It ain't no problem.
Yeah, I got you.
So today, we come. She want all her stuff.
Okay.
It's cool if we separate. It's fine. I go away. I go with my mother, but at the same time, this is my baby. This is my girl.
Okay.
We came from a team concert.
Okay.
Like I just told him, I texted my cousin. My cousin texted me and said my girl was trying to talk to her.
Okay.
What is going on? Why somebody trying to talk to my girl? This is my baby, bro. This is my little cousin. I don't want to argue,
so
bro.
She texted your cousin.
No, that's what he told me. Like, babe, why is you did you texting my cousin? Like, why is you act like that? The whole time the whole time she not texting my cousin.
Okay.
So as that's going on, I'm still trying to figure out like why she not coming in the room. So I'm like, damn. Now the car right there on the side. That's like it's on the side. And I'm like, damn. So you finna sit in the car? You finna sit in the room? Babe, just talk to me. That's all I want to do is talk to me. That's it. I don't want to argue. I don't even want to grab you, but I was grabbing. Yeah, I was grabbing, so I was just grabbing like this. Like, babe, talk to me. I don't want to do that. But I just know how my girl is. She's so emotional with baby is, bro. She'll be emotional. I just know she about her papa outlet. That's why I said, babe, if you want to do it like this, I'll give you your bag. Cause I got my brother. I go get some air, I go get some space. It's not no problem at all. We got a room here, and my brother got a room down there. It's no problem at all. I just want to get some air. I just hate to see her drain. Every time I see her drain, that shit upset me emotionally. That's all it is. Like, I just came back, bro. I'm trying to relax. I'm trying to enjoy my weekend myself, bro.
I get you. What's your name?
Milton.
Did anything get physical between you two?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. This ain't shit. Don't even think this is something crazy, bro. Like, this is my baby, bro. I know this is.
That's what I'm.
This is my baby, bro. This is my everything, bro. She's just emotionally drained. No physical.
Nothing got physical?
All I can say is I grabbed her, like, babe, just talk to me. Just talk to me. I know she emotionally don't want to see me. Okay. She want all her stuff. And I'll give her all her stuff. No
Where's
problem.
her stuff
It's in 216, my room.
Yeah. All right. And where's your ID or address?
I don't have I only got that.
Where's your last posted address?
I ain't know nothing crazy, bro. I play ball. I ain't here. That's my baby. Babe.
You at the hotel without your ID? How did you check in? You think we're stupid? You must think the cop is stupid. Who the hell is falling for that? Some don't seem right. It's your room, but you don't have your ID. Every hotel, you provide ID and, your card information or whatever. Shit ain't adding up, man. Shit is not adding up.
You good?
So Milton L. Wardlaw?
Yeah.
W-O-R-D-L-O-W?
Yeah.
Okay. So nothing got physical?
Hell no. What you want to see? What you want to see?
Here, roll.
Yeah, ain't nothing physical. Right. No, nothing bad.
Okay.
How
would that come from?
I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, this is earlier.
From what?
Shit, I was with my cousin and I was seeing my mama. This shit happen. Like, it ain't nothing physical, nothing on her. Like, it ain't. This is really that I bought from Champion. This ain't nothing crazy.
Stay with my partner. Just go talk to her, right? Thanks, man. You said you're willing to leave?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Now, hi. I'm Austin McTesh with Ville Park. You okay? Do you need an ambulance?
No.
Okay. Who was he to you?
His ass is grass. You know when they make this face right here. Look at the screen. You see her. When they make that face right there, and when they squint the eyes and act like they're crying, but no tears come out. Oh yeah, you going to jail, buddy.
Who is he to you?
My boyfriend.
Your boy, how long has been dating?
Like a few months.
Huh?
Like a few months.
A few months, okay. What happened?
Apparently, I told him that his cousin was trying to talk to me, and he got mad and was arguing at me the whole ride home. I just wanted to go home and grab my stuff.
Okay.
And he wouldn't let me grab my bag.
Okay. 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 So you guys arguing, cousin, he thought cousin was texting you to talk. That wasn't the case.
And I kept telling him it wasn't.
Okay. What? Did anything get physical?
He just been grabbing me
Where?
in the room.
Okay. Where?
My neck.
Okay. Did he at any point try to choke you?
Like a little bit.
Did you ever lose consciousness?
No.
Okay, can I see your neck? Okay, and that's from him? You said? Okay. Alright. Do you need an ambulance? Did you ever hit him back? Has he ever been arrested against you before?
No.
What do you want done tonight? Okay. So with the signs of injury, from what you're telling me, we're gonna have to do what we have to do, okay? That doesn't mean that you necessarily want him arrested. I don't know if that's the case, but we're gonna have to step in with that, okay? Do you guys live together?
No.
Okay. You live in, where do you live? Does he know where you live?
Yes.
Okay. And he lives in?
He lives somewhere. It's like, I can't remember the address. It's in my phone.
That's fine. Okay. All right. And he's Milton, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you are, what's her name?
She's Larissa.
Larissa. Okay. Do you have a ride coming to get you?
I have my car.
Your car is here?
Yes.
Okay. Have either of you been drinking tonight?
Only a little bit.
Okay.
Once we got in.
Once you got in?
Yeah.
What time did this happen at, would you
I
say?
can't even remember. I didn't have my phone.
Okay. Is there anything else in that room?
Yes.
Who's the room under?
I don't see not one tear, man. One tear did not come from her cheek, man. Now, that guy probably did do that. He probably did yoke her up, you know. And hey, you gotta go to jail for that, man. You gotta go to jail for that. But the whole crime, I don't understand that. You could tell your story and still get the same thing across without that whole I don't know. Not one tear. Not one. Not one. Damn.
My name, my ID is in there, my clothes are in there.
And this just happened. You guys came down here then?
Yes.
Or you came down here?
Yes, I came down here to leave.
Okay. And he followed you?
Yes.
Okay. All right. How many times would you say you grabbed your neck?
I can't even know.
Several, once, twice. You don't remember?
Yes.
And you said squeezing you at one point or no? All the times he was grabbing your neck or just the one
It
time?
was like pushing me and then I was trying to leave. And that's when I got dragged.
Did he ever strike you with the open or closed fist?
No.
No? Okay. All right. My partner's going to stick with you, okay? We're going to have some paperwork to finish with you, okay? And,
oh, boy.
when's the last time you said you had a sip of alcohol?
You said what?
When's the last time you had some alcohol?
I don't know. Like 2 hours ago.
Okay. So we're gonna just make sure you're okay to drive too, to get out of here. But even if you want to stay here, he's gonna be coming with us. Okay. All right. Good. So just to get it straight, you guys come here. He's arguing because he thought that his cousin was texting you to talk. You said nope, that's not the case.
Which is crazy.
Argument ensues. During the course of the argument, he grabs you by the neck. And then you have those injuries.
I like her nails, though.
Okay. All right, I will be with it. Okay. Am I missing anything?
No.
Can I see your mouth? You're okay? I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, she got the French tips going on. I see her now. Okay. I still don't know about that whole all of that, but which that's crazy. If that whole cousin thing was happening, yo, it'd be your own family that'll do it to you, man. Your cousin trying to talk to your girl.
Did she got her stuff?
Yeah, she's got her stuff. Well, some of it. So.
Yeah, ID stuff.
Okay, so you're under arrest, okay, for domestic battery. Put your
What the
hands behind
fuck? What, babe?
Hands behind your back.
Babe, I'm not. Babe, no, please.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop.
Gotta get them together. Hold up.
Stop.
Babe, please.
Screw that.
Babe, please.
Yeah, calm down.
Please, babe.
It's not her. Stop. It's not her. It's the state. It's us. Okay? You're under arrest for domestic battery.
Babe, it's not me, babe. Babe. Babe, please talk to them, babe.
Put your 3-1 male in custody.
Babe, please.
She did talk to them.
Babe. Babe, please talk to them, babe. No, talk to her, please. Please. Babe, talk to her, please, babe. Babe. Give me a minute, babe. Give me a minute.
For her injuries on her
I
neck.
can't touch her, bro.
You can argue that.
Yo, this is my probation, bro.
Well,
Bro, no. No.
Stop.
Bro, give me an ambulance, bro. Give me an
ambulance?
right now, bro. I'm finna crash out, bro.
Stop.
I'm finna crash out.
Attention. Stop.
I'm finna crash out, bro.
Stop.
I'm finna crash out, bro.
Victor 3, we'll take one more car down here.
Huh? What'd you say?
We're getting more cars here.
No, folks, you good. Gotta get some water at least, bro.
Some water at the peak. Come on, I'll get you some water.
Oh nah, he's a nut job. See? Yeah, this whole thing switched. I believe everything she done said. He is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, man. She better get far away from him, man. The way that he was just fake crying and all that, you know, and then just switched up like that, that's not normal, man.
Come on.
What y'all doing? Let me go tomorrow?
You see a judge.
Whoa. What?
You see a judge. You got anything on you? We're good. You got anything on you? Hey, you got anything on you that'll stick me, poke me, or prod me?
I'm talking to you. Take me out to the station, bro.
Oh, we will.
Get me out to the station.
You got anything that'll stick me, poke me, prod me?
Get me out to the station, bro.
Any guns, knives, bazookas?
Oh, no, I got a gun on me, bro. Oh, I got a gun on me, bro.
Before I search everybody asks.
You know I got a gun on me? All that's chicken, bro. Damn, fool.
Got a dollar bill in there.
Yeah, I got a dollar bill.
Yep.
Damn,
No, I'm
fool.
gonna report cancel for you, alright?
Man, me not ever see a judge, bro.
You an ambulance?
Yeah, I want to have a take me to the hotel. I mean,
We'll
take
get
me
one
to
at
the
the PD.
What?
We'll get one at the PD.
That's the PD. We ain't at the PD. So we gotta go? Oh, there was no PD, bro.
What do you got here?
Let me see. What is it? Let's take it out, son. Other shit, bro. Damn, folks. Y'all overdoing it right now. Don't take 8 of y'all.
Have a seat.
Damn, hurry up and get me to the hospital, folks.
Alright. That won't change you being under arrest.
That's fine.
Just letting you know.
I did this multiple times, officer.
Alright.
What do you need an ambulance for so we know what to tell them?
What?
What do you need an ambulance for so we know what to tell them?
Have a withdrawal.
A what?
Have a withdrawal.
From what?
Have a withdrawal.
From what? They're going to ask.
Have a withdrawal, bro.
They're just having withdrawals.
Yeah, I ain't
Okay.
feeling good. I feel like I throw up all type of shit. That's why
Okay.
I said I need some water. That's
Okay.
all.
Okay. So, but like drugs or what? Alcohol? They're going to ask me, my man.
Yeah.
Both? Okay. So what's going to happen is if you decide you want to go, we're going to go to the hospital with you. We're going to babysit you until you're done, and then we're going to bring you back to the PD and then bring you to DuPage County Jail.
Just take me to the county. I mean, to the office. So I can make my phone calls.
You don't want to go to the hospital?
No. So I can go get some water and shit. I gotta throw up, bro.
Okay, that's fine.
No, bro. Take me to the station.
ShyGotEm reaction, you know it's a hit. Drunk drivers failing under the street lamps.
Yeah, watch the footage, don't miss the stamps.
Let me know what you think of the chase.
ShyGotEm.
We out.